Good afternoon, welcome back to the School of Infinity, the Incredible channel. Today we are diving into one of the most exciting and disruptive developments in the world of artificial intelligence. Imagine AI models that outperforms best US technology giants in like OpenAI.
Because it is mind-blowing and it is shaking this entire industry to its core. The emergence of DeepSeek now putting pressure on the US tech names. We told you all about it last week in Davos. The buzz started growing about DeepSeek's latest AI model being more efficient.
So the tech race is heating up. It's not just a battle for AI supremacy, it's a battle to control the future. Yes, tech companies will be on the front lines, but they won't be there alone, because as the race intensifies, politicians will step in. We are seeing that in the US already. Donald Trump has commented on the DeepSeek breakthrough. He says it should leading this route was Jensen Huang, the CEO of NVIDIA. His fortune took a $20 billion hit. You'd think he wouldn't be a fan of DeepSeek, but yes, the Magnificent Seven still dominate the market, but they're not invincible.
And Meta, but it is immense go to fractions of cost. Sound, this is unbelievable, right? Well, that is exactly what China's DeepSeek AI has done. This is just a tech story. It is a story about global power, innovation, and the future of AI. But by the end of this video, you are expected to understand why DeepSeek is such a big deal, how it's shaking up the tech world, and what it means for you as an investor, tech enthusiastic. So it is like the subscribe button and get started is necessary. What is DeepSeek AI? It is a cutting-edge AI model developed by Chinese research lab, which makes special. The three words are necessary: speed, efficiency, and best performance. But building just 2 months, while US companies like OpenAI spent years and billions of dollars developing their models, DeepSeek was created in just 2 months for a not mere 5.6 million. That's like building a Ferrari on a Toyota budget. Open source, power, unlike OpenAI, which is code locked away, DeepSeek is a completely open source. This means anyone can access, use, and improve its code for free. It is like giving the whole world the key to be super spectacular. Outperforming the best DeepSeek just is not fast and cheap, but it is also incredibly powerful. It has outperforming top US models like ChatGPT-4 and Meta Llama in text to be solving mathematics problems and fixing codes. Fundamentally, why DeepSeek is a game changer? Let us break down why DeepSeek is causing such a stir in the tech world. Number one, chain of thought. It can think as a reasoner one. One of the DeepSeek's standard feature is it is chain of thinking, reasoning. This means that AI does not just give you an answer. It shows you how it got there, step by step. Think of it like a math teacher who doesn't just write the answer on the board, but explain what is every part of the question means. This makes DeepSeek incredibly useful for the complex tasks like planning, problem solving, and even coding. It is not just a start, it is also transparent, which builds trust and reliability. Number two, cost efficiency and effectiveness. Here is where DeepSeek really wins and shines. Using DeepSeek AI costs just 10 cents per milli tokens compared to OpenAI 440 per milli tokens. For developers and businesses, that is 9 up to 7 costs %. This reduction makes to be accessible to more people and could lead to be a wave of innovation in industry like customer service, healthcare, and education. Number three, overcoming hardware limitation. You might be wondering, how did China pull this off, especially with the US restriction on advanced semiconductors? The answer is reduced optimization, and DeepSeek is in tech-like mixture of expertise, architecture, and bits that float point trading on the maximizing the performance of less powerful hardware. They even use the process called distillation, where larger models help to be smaller one get smarter. The open source versus closing source debates. DeepSeek open source approach has sparked a huge debate. Here is why it matters. 1. Open source pros. By making its code freely available, DeepSeek encourages collaboration and rapid innovation. It is like building a global community of developers who can improve the technology together. Number 2, closing source pros. Companies like OpenAI argue that keeping their code private ensures better controls and security. But critics say these approaches slow down progress and limits the access. So, which is better? There is no easy answer, but DeepSeek's success shows that open source models can compete and even outperform their closed sources reveals. The bigger picture, global power shifts. DeepSeek is just not a tech breakthrough, but it is also a geographical one. Here is why. Number 1, challenging US dominancy. For years in the US has been the undisputed leaders in AI innovation, but DeepSeek is rising shows that China is the catching up fast. This could shift the balance of power in areas like economic growth, military strategy, and global influence. Tech. Number 2, impact on stock markets. The tech sector has been already felt the stock shake and they will have shock waves. When news of DeepSeek capabilities broke, US tech stocks lost of estimated 620 billion of single day. Companies like Nvidia and others.
$108 billion. Leading this rout was Jensen Huang, the CEO of NVIDIA. His fortune took a $20 billion hit. You'd think he wouldn't be a fan of DeepSeek, but yes, the Magnificent Seven still dominate the market, but they're not invincible.
Are vulnerable to particular event. Number 3, the next phase of AI. The future of AI may not be just about software. Could be about hardware-driven AI. Think robots that can live to be built and create a system that uses physical data instead of just text. DeepSeek is success suggesting that China is well poised and positioned to lead this next wave of the innovation. What does this mean for you? Oh, whether you are an investor, a tech enthusiast, or just a student or someone curious about this future, DeepSeek is rising has important implications. Implication number 1, diversify your investment. The volatility in the tech sector is a reminder to be diversifying your portfolio. Consider alternative assets like crypto or building contemporary artists on huge against market swings. Platforms like Masterbooks allow you to be invest in iconic and are pieces of which can lead to be great way to be balance risks. Number 2, stay informed. The world of artificial intelligence is moving fast and staying informed is the key. Follow channels like this one to be kept with latest development and understanding how they impact your life. Number 3, embrace collaboration. The lesson here is just not about competition. It is about collaboration. Countries and companies need to be work together to be advance a responsibility rather than treating it like armed forces. Conclusion. Despite DeepSeek is more than just a technology, it is a breakthrough, it is a wake-up call. It shows that innovation can move for unexpected place, and that is the future of AI so far for decades. So, what do you think? Is DeepSeek a threat to US dominance or an opportunity for global collaboration? Let me know these comments below. And if you have found this video helpful, don't forget to be like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching, and until the next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and remembering the future's infinity. This is Amaras Mama. Have a nice time.